This 2025 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 27GH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Conroe, Texas, 77301 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Conroe. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features a DENALI interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.